everyone, it's Tia again at Shoes of Hollywood. I'll be showing you another pair of their shoes, their pleasure shoes. These are the Door 708s. So, cute bag. You can have another little carry bag if you want to chuck them in there. Keep them extra safe. And you'll see why you want to keep them extra safe when I pull them out. So there's silver glitter all around, and as you can see there's fish scales. It's a part of their mermaid range that they've got at the moment. Super cute, super blingy. This is them. If you love glitter like me, you'll love these shoes, because that's all they are, is just glitter everywhere. So I'll chuck them on. They are a 7-inch heel with a 2 3/4 platform, and yeah, give them a go. So you got the clear strap that will mold to your feet the more you wear it, and then just gets even more comfier as you wear them. Or if you just went and had a nice little mani, show off your nice little toes. Them nice and glittery. Love it. As you can see, I've got glittery nails, so I do love my glitter. And all the colours that just the glitter shows, like you got pink, green, blue, it's just so cute. Nice grip on the bottom, so if it's been raining, you know you're not going to slip anywhere. Let's have a look. Yeah, super easy to walk in, super comfortable. The soles of the shoes are nice and foamy, so your feet actually just sit right in there comfortably. Your feet will then just, yeah, it's like a pillow. Your feet are in pillows. These are probably the easiest shoes I've ever had to walk in. And they're the most sparkliest. You see, even the sparkles are up in here, so just everywhere you put your shoes, you'll always see the nice pretty sparkles. We'll go have a walk outside. Maybe the sunlight will show a bit more colour in the sparkles, hey? So, let's go. Gonna go for a little stroll, see how these babies go out in public. Some concrete. Have a little look at some scenery. got my glasses. Very hard finding glasses when you wear glasses. You get prescriptions. It's a hassle. So we're going to do our last little walk around. So that's the pier that I was pointing out earlier. I don't know if it's a bit more clearer. It's got a little gazebo type thing to chill out under. We've got a couple of people out there fishing. Sure they'll be getting a nice breeze out there too. Starting to get a nice one now. Nice afternoon breeze. Beautiful afternoon. The cruise ship is out there again. I don't know if it's the same one, probably. They're all the same really, aren't they? Yeah. At the moment we're actually in Shorncliffe, so I'll have a little sip. I love the little fish scales, they're so cute. And if you notice, it's actually stitched, so you can see them. So it's not just like the stones or it's just drawn on, it's actually stitching. So really cool, it goes all the way around. So it's a bit hot out here today, so we might just start heading back to the car and get ready to go back to the shop. Beautiful day here in Shorncliffe. We'll get ready and head back to the shop. See you guys then. Oh, so hot out there, but can you do it this Queensland weather? Makeup feels like it's just melted. Go sit down. Give you guys another little look. So they do come in other colours as well, but silver. How could you not? Look at it. You have so many colours. It's like you don't need any other colour because it's got all the colours of the rainbow. Yes. Let's take them off so you guys can have a look at what they look like on their own. My nails aren't working for me today. There we go. So that's them there. So like I said earlier, they're a 7-inch heel with a 2 3/4 platform. Super comfy base. And yeah, thanks guys. See ya.